It is exactly ntuko ithandatu kuma mbunge ya seneti iri utumiria kwengwa kwa gavana Kawira Mwangaza na speaker ruwa akumaruketine na ati gavana Meru. Development chithirite ikumira kuma ntuko ya Jumaine mwankaru ari rutererwa gavana bakinsist Kawira hari itine kuringana na watho na bati kwithira akiamukira mantu yonthe kwendekana kwithira ari itine na ikuluka cia mantu yonthe kwendekana kiwatho naruo rutererwa ruthirite rukithetera utongere bubwo Meru bakiwa Kawira ari obisine kiuta tena watho na tibati kwithira ari nguine na kuringana na Ndewa Njiro urani lead lawyer wa county assembly arua Kawira atibati kuthinya kinyokwi na obisi tia county kana kuruta ngui yonthe ire bati kuthira kirutwa ni governor nawe senator Kathuri Murungi nyuma ya Kawira kwa wikira kirore budget ya mwaka 2024-2025 andikira control of budget akiwa wete nyie 11 rirekeru kwe ndene ya county ya Meru nonto Kawira ti governor Meru na kwino bwa botumika buthuku kwa mbesa cia Meru na kiri mitandao ni kuona barua ya Mumeru umwe haiciita FK arua narombete department kuma kiri town mwanya kuthira kwina maandamano bakiwa nikaba kwenda kubwithia maandamano ya thiri kwenda kwabilia Kawira obisine bakiwa obisine kuta tena watho but notwithstanding twaritu kwenda kuona Meru ikerekera na mwerekere ukariate because madaktari be mugomo aditingo bathirikari be kwenda kurua meshara services ni bati kuendelea mutuma ntwethingia tutamuona akiassume are acting governor. What is going on in Meru? Yayonde together tucokeria kiri mubango yoku kiande na good friend Australia Kaimenyi ni abisa kiri obisi ya senator wa Meru Kathuri Murungi harania na batu kulukura 40188 namba yetu SMS through live kiri Facebook through live kiri YouTube na kiri TV yeku ida wendete ya weru mkedra nkithoma ntumiri chegura Twitter mbere na mubango yoku. Karibu sana bwana Kaime.
Thank you. Iboka sana bwana Edwa.
Yes.
Mbere manu ntwa kongwata ugeni kiendo ringi twararire na Mumeru mbuge Meru nithiritwe na issues nyingi mbitikiria mbere manjuke kanyaga nkethia Mumeru wonde ari mwire muga no ringi muga ndakwirire nderwe Mumeru atikethegwa ri mwaki so mbere ya Meru iboka nuntu bara tukinyite Meru nithiritwe on trial in tribulations nyingi for the last 2 years na riu nandi ni gitara ku redeem Meru ni gitara gucokaniria Meru icoka njirene ya witi na mbere but mbuge from the onset ikoro nara ndiratendere kanisa mutumiria nara tumira ndaigwa ndari judivine as in koro ya chokera ringi nuntu mbere turona aje Kamiru ya kurukira mantu ya manene muno mutumiria atwira ntirikana arathomete kifungu kiriko kya Biblia lakini atwira Murungu atiomba gukurikithiria thinene iri beyond what you can manage so thineje Meru ikurukirite ndiragwirirwo muno angukuti migambo ya mutumiria wegoro thineje Meru ikurukirite te county ingi cionthe 46 chiri ungiumba thineje Meru ikurukirite thine nganene na Meru thina Meru bakumba and that is why right now tukuona well at least thina ni ete and to some extent ikapati kidogo muno karagatigere na koingwetikia Murungu o utwitete Ngai agatunia rugongo rura rungi kenda Meru yomba gucokanira na Meru yomba gukara bwega. It is true in your opening statement okwaria nteto chiama that ituonete issues tikiapen kinya after impeachment mbere matwambe twitikanire na twire Mumeru governor Kawira Mwangaza na impeachwe so from where I sit Kawira Mwangaza is not the governor of Meru na Kenya Gazette ni aumire ikendi gasetaka governor Kawira Mwangaza so statement ya ateagana na taito ira tununtu na ara governor wa Meru but tugitara former governors ba Meru Kawira Mwangaza is one of them. Peter Munya noe wali former governor wa Meru wa mbere Kiraito Murungi former governor wa Meru wa bairi na right now tuna former governor Kawira Mwangaza so kwithirwa ari obichine na akithithia nteto ira ciothe akuthithia iyuta tena watho
So matinda ya heo nthi ya
you know itutwire kuga kawira imuntu umenyerete masinema na gento kire ije kuoperate na kyo nkuruki igo cause confusion nkuruki ya kuthithia the right thing inyawengwa na ije from where she is sitting to governor wa Meru na ije boom right now Meru ina deputy governor mutumanto ithinkia who is the governor designate aeterete akeke unyuithio muma ajukio biti kulingana na sheria ya Kenya. So nteto iji ingi I masinema tu I sarakasi but they will come to an end at the right time they will come to an end.
Bitikiri bwana Kaime turani kiuriki ni nyamu mwero wa churia atiri now that Kawira Mwangaza titine ya gavana mutumanto ithingia tutirona agiassume role ya kwithira ari acting governor wa Meru services cia Meru tigakaratea bearing in mind Senator Kathuri narandikire control of budgets wetagigina kinya no kimwe kia kurekerwa tene ya county ya Meru moving forward gwakaratea ne yambarire report inetere kuwa gari kuitwa kari ka mentionwa on 17th September. So Meru completely getting in total shutdown.
Buge Meru ite in total shutdown. Operations cia county ya Meru iria chitegwitaji governor anywhere chibatere kutha chigita na mbere. But right now from where we sit the fact that alitingugiba Meru county ibonekete especially barabarikire executive the CCs bakirwanga ibo kuri na muchemano jwa cabinet na former governor you know nande au niothe ne kumira nuntu nande riria aitingugiba ambirie gutia associate na mtu uri obichine irikari you know you should be worried nuntu intentions cia antu bare otumba kumenya ni
appointee bawe
na isawa ne appointee bawe but the moment mtu uria aere impeached na asisire kwithirwa ari governor wa Meru na for that reason alitibara bangugi babatere kuthwa bagi operataga on the basis that na impeachirwe abeterete thirikari ingi so mantu jaja kwenda any directions from the governor babatere kuthwa besika directions from the deputy governor nuntu ali obichine na ali obichine na njirira yagirite mbuge Ameru baka warrant at times kuregita tukurukagirwa thinene iji kinyariti bangugi ba Meru baka warrant you know irazima ndaundi arengi kurukira thinene iri akurukirire chionde kenda ifinally eja kuja gutwika munene irazima ana ba Israeli bari kurukira thine iri chionde bakurukirire bari Misiri thine iri chionde monkainya kuremo kunerie tunege na Murungu abaringira biama monkainya gwita rungura Mount Sinai bari go impara Murungu abauritheria bia kure mana na finally beja gukinya Kanani so thine iri chionde tokurukira ingwitikia ni ukoje Murungu agutunenkera ja Meru bakoja kweresaka Kenya na ara Meru ekurukirite so kulingana na we should not be worried
no should be worried because kaime katwira ne uma Ameru bat kuthira be worried body ni hospitali te cooperate daktari ba gomere right
au nionko na kwenda paradox
ukona daktari ba gomere right mantre yonde ya kwenda yarienda mbesa Senator naandikite akagwa mbesa ikauma ikeya so does it mean now that mbesa ikauma tutrona DG exercise authority we acting governor kendo solve crisis kaime twaika tuina quagmire
DG na bete go operate ja acting governor na chokero obichine yawe na itonere ntuko ingia that day achemene na delegations kuma kire county assembly for several discussions and I can tell you ntereta obichine but I know I'm privy to information that na ambirite go operate obichi ya ole batere kuthwa operataga mchoke mbuge bwana Mutembei ibwa gaturia Meru atiri intention ya governor kwithirwa ejere mbere ma kintu kia mbere kira kuthithia igweta guchemania na CCs na we aije ni rigo governor Kawira Mwangaza aije wengo ate batere kuthwa ari obichi neu achoketa guchemania na antu bare intention yawe ya rimbi that is why ngwangiri na Senator Kathuri Murungi kwandika baruga that imbeche cha Meru kukagita kinya chiringi mwerekerwa nuntu intention cia antu bara kethera governor na minute good for Meru Kawira Mwangaza former governor kethera na minute good for Meru kintu kia mbere kira batere kuja kathithia igweta muchemanio daktari para ba mugomone agabeta bakaranira nthiguru daktari services cha cibitari ciomba gucokanira but that is not buti bu athithirie etere guchemania na antu baba and I can tell you for free most likely aragia na bokenda bamuchwira mbecha cha gweta kuongana na ukotini na ku maneuver systems a cause more confusion kiri Meru. So kwina reason genuine reason as to why mbecha cha Meru chitibatere kurekerwa nuntu Kawira Mwangaza from where he sit intention yawe by the time systems cha thirikari chionde chimu recognize as the former governor arenda kuthwa ku cause issues ethro ba kuritania mbecha and I can tell you igoro na ange ndiragitaniririe inderethere kuruba thoko fulani ndikwenda kumegweta barungi barabara ene beterete bakiuragia atiri even ibabatere kwendelea kuria mbecha iria bare agatia thoko and I felt well umwo boda igwa kibera atiri mbecha ici kinya tuteshua kethiri chigweta account ine cha thirikari na kinya ni ngwa nteshua kethira mbecha ici chigweta account ine thirikari for the last few days. So genuinely bena kiurigia kuria na kinya ni ngwa from where is it kutege ntonde ana aro kethirikari Meru county no ntonde shua mbecha iria chireta gutumbirwa na kethiri kuona former governor somebody you should not be in office na kugeria kutonya obichi inerea na gwete nya CCs na mbi ya Meru tubatere kuria biuria you know na mbitikiria mutembe imbere ya Meru county assembly yetu ne ditira ngugirere yayo ibonere thina para identify thina na para push monga barona ngavana Kawira Mwangaza agutweka impeached na arana senators bareta para karande guru para spending sleepless nights para thinga tante toira na Meru bonze bategete na barono kuji tati Kawira Mwangaza ina meya inyabiuria bira Kawira Mwangaza ora gwa kali orongo Meru baije uma. Imagine Kawira akiuga TV area te yawe ali senate na Meru baije uma Kawira well ntikwenda gutonya kiri details you but Meru baije uma na mtu wonde ara notice meya ja former governor Kawira Mwangaza. So senators baraitanguke yao na bara appoint impeachment ire kurukizwe na county assembly ya Meru. So assembly ni iterenguke yao senators baiterenguke yao monka kinya bara gazeti impeachment ya governor Kawira Mwangaza. So responsibility ara turi na abwa igwe exercise power ira tunengeri ni katiba article 1 ya public ya Meru. Ara turi na abwa it is time for the public kulitanguke yayo because power belongs to the people. Iketu meaning kwangiri na abwa nderwa na ndikuigwa kinya ko open statement yaku ukiuga that kuri na Mumeru wandikite baruga akiromba askari baeja no karia ejitare ya peaceful demonstrations ira chikethwa atirio mbuge Ameru bau bakumara ko exercise rights chiao. Power belongs to the people. Ibo egaba umare kinyabo ngwaba kinye sentiments chiao mbuga governor ka ate kumenya kethira power ne umukire kiriwe mbuga ate kumenya antu iba menyero rinde wa gwita antu bongo bete bakamwira
ate kumenya ate na speaker ure ceases to be the governor ate kumenya ate
but she wants to cause more confusion. So antu abete bakamurikani bete bakamwira governor na ndiri you are the former governor. The impeachment was upheld kiri senate no rana ndeto ija gutinda kuina anga na court order which court order ere riuga atiri ni kurungika ka settlement yete kathithwe a settlement that was done way before and ibirungikite now na kinyoga tega ituonere the other day affidavit ya wakiri wawe igitire ndi mitandao nera bandikite kenda ita kotini bae waonda asiria kinyoga tega affidavit ira bira biandikiku na bira bieja nikire onda again turikiri nteto ja iria respectively turikiri nteto ja iria honorable Kasan njanji wa court ya Meru atwirite igamba impeachment ire chokwe kiri njuri nteto gutino chire katibe we are in the same kwagimaya again lakini mbuge atiri kiri Meru all is well and I can assure them all is well.
Now supporters bakawira bariyekania na former governor wa Embu Wambora kwengwa ni senate deputy governor we no actire mwanke ambarira uma court what I know but here governor Kawira Mwangaza ariwa we nwe governor. You see, case ya Meru ekara ya gay special. I do not know why. Because wajia haikuengwa DG no take over. Na nyanyo muma mwangeyo chokwa ni koti. Governor wa Embu the same story. Deputy governor wa Akitire Mwanka wa Mborara yo chokwa nimbi ni koti. Ni ontone ni Meru yo kara gay special.
Well, one thing to batere kwereanwa. Deputy governor ari obichine yawe. Na nago operate as the acting governor. Kana governor designate. Ura weterete kunyo muma.
O katira aria.
You know, mutuma to think is irreverent. Na reverend wa komama ena kirinda okira ruki iretwa reverend ka bishop. Irreverent uthomete kutuika reverend kulingana na Methodist Church of Kenya. Na kinya kunurwa ordained ja reverend mutomeria wa Methodist. So kuri nteto imwe atiumba kuthithia tu just for the sake of the show. Nuntu na kwerewa kumane na theology ria thomete I understand na kwerewa kwithirwa wi mutomeria kwithirwa wi thumbe Murungu ikugate. So kinya tuona ati kumira athithia paparazzi bo bwingi. He is doing duty yawe cha acting governor wa Meru. Kira tubatere kuthotha ru tukiura ya Meru. The former governor Kawira Mwangaza atige ku cause more confusion. Nuntu kinya assuming kinya ondere ne oni gatujukie kinya ondere akuga ne agwa parity ne oni neo.
Yeah.
Akwina ondere yugite equal state Kawira Mwangaza ja governor obichine kairi. Kutino I have not seen it. Maybe inte wakiri but I have not seen any kraus kiro ondere. Ekiuga ne reinstate governor Kawira Mwangaza obichine. Ntirona buni. Birambo nete kiri ondere. Kulingana uni they were overtaken by event way before the order was given.
Amero kanam it is said power is taken. Tikawete ragu nenkro power is taken. Should we see DG Mutuma wake up today tuambire kuona nende akwambire exercise mandate ya acting governor Mero anto kira kana what should anto Mero bombo expect as moving forward?
Well, the committee uri ga kuno ntuba comment ina ndona
Daudi atire power is taken. Taken in Kanairo.
Yes.
Na ukira kwa DG Mutuma Amero bombo kuthwania kaukira go take over. So now maybe Mutuma Amere area Amero as it stands. You won't go exercise mandate. Governor, there is no vacuum in leadership.
It is true there is no vacuum in leadership. But mbitikiria mbwire Mumiru kuri ombigo muchongo akiuga atiri the absence of noise does not necessarily mean silence.
Okay.
Kuthwa gutina gituma na kwithirwa Mutuma ntuithingia respectively His Excellency the Governor.
Yeah.
Ate kumira na too much mbwembwe. Ini governor does not necessarily mean if anything atoba ko ayekiraga ura ni askari utireni nya kuando bunduki na kuando ne askari o prison so atireni to kuando kinya abungwa antoba dithete meya so governor is former governor Kawira Mwangaza kiri oni ndete kan kona aregeria guchetha na muntu wije iyo raba anduragwa. So nataka mbuga nuntu na atireni to nuntu bigwa moto ya prison ni kurekebisha na haki na ndi na kwenda kurekebisha former governor na njira ya haki kumuserve na justice kinya kimurekebisha so gutego utinda kuthikira mbwembo nyingi muno but since governor Kawira Mwangaza former na kumenya arita obichine ere illegally it is time pautu ja Meru respectively to mwire kumara obichine yetu.
Now katu yekiri ishingi gazette notice na umire Kawira Mwangaza more the way from Nairobi ya Meru aina ngari and security and all the apparatus chondiri kwendekana tia muntu kwithira ari governor na utumira ngari cia thirikari funded by ni arioti Meru ena ndereba ukuriwa ena security. So
well buge it is unfortunate na tu kupatara kuthwa gukari but indonere was it on Friday that mitandaone indonere gugituika official vehicle nete with drone na security mtikumenya validity ya nteto nuntu tuthirete tu weekend so ntiromba niko verify
weekend nyana ya na nguku ntere chebure
nguku iriku wow you are surprising me.
Yes, after saying a budget
sio korea
after saying a budget
iriku mro uthi budget yake ni thekiri kiratasi.
Okay
bwana and bruto kamisiri ndi mumeru. The fact that former governor Nejero Bichine ajukia budget ire kurukitwe county assembly
yeah.
Na amichaina it doesn't mean that na chainire budget. She has no authority to do that. Na ere impeached, na ere degazetted as the governor of Meru, so she has no powers whatsoever cheko chaina budget ya Meru. If anything kara cause more problems don't run the budget area. When the new governor assumes office, ekabi ndi kuthithiro rectification kenda budget area chaina ni the substantive office owner netweka legal ya gutumirwo ni Amiru. So nteto ira kawira kuthithia igo cause more confusion kiria me ati mtu onde we ni right end kwera nteto iji chiothe wa jaja tukugaja sheria that kawira ari operate legally si kila mtu anaelewa na hiyo ni advantage ra kawira atikite that ite mtu onde we
kwanza bemona na ngari na kila kitu.
But inyala ina ni tupatire kutha tukiuragia respectively organs tia thirikari iria chi responsible forthwith pajukie infrastructure yonde ya thirikari ira irungura the former governor bali kongari kwa security nyabe ndo mutigira tega meato tekwenda eta kwa armed security ni nyande kwenda ne ikuwithindrwa wacha kae nayo alikia kumenyaniria na kwithirwa ari raia security gachoka atekeje kuga gwita armed in the process. Lakini the other infrastructure ya kithirikari ngari gwita kuga gwita obichine irigari those things should not be there. I do not see even a reason as to why akurekerwo gutonyo ituonaga mbicha chigitirendi mitandao ne just the last week utuko ngari tikiona gwa chigitonya county headquarters na chika umara na quote and quote imbichene bonete mitandaone chika umara na computers imbiche taka ni chai computer ya kama tawa
computer chiambia
ndonene mitandaone Facebook. I do not know how valid the story is but ikeja kwithura ni uma then it could be that bila biotuma ngavana former eta obichine area na ije atebatire kuthwara obichine eu mbuge ikutharia some evidence bill ndoko iria thithitio obichine eu chitekeje kumenyeka and that is why I will tell the incoming governor nyumegwasi umobichi the first thing that abatire kuthithia ikuthithirwa audit even if it means forensic
yeah
audit ye kumenya ri imbie thithitio obichine eje na imbie rathithagwa kenda ajuki obichi etheri nuntu the former governor atikona ni ari mtu jeni na itu amonere seneti ari mtu kumba kwa riorongo on the face mtu kurwa kinya Miriam Wantai no is my close relative temo aronya kwe ali is my close relative lide
babu bwemeta former governor na ngari na bendera menye that me only that no friend let me tell you the truth
morome motebenya uko no kwa bendera Meru county da iki da marani nguletere
tetegerumbe tani
kiri gitamba my friend
tetegerumbe tani gitamba atia
igitamba yes she is not the governor
no monombera waziri ruare no ebelungu ene halafu ayetangare na bendera. You know that's a sign of authority.
Ingwetekaniria na ugwa na inkwangiri ugwo kuga kinyani ngo inkwangiri right now as we speak ngari cha thirikari tibaterwa chipaki at the right point chieterete ngavana omwe rukenda ajukia na inkwangiri na ugwe even anything nyate ngari yake kinyobi chiu agutonya na atibwiri kwithura agitonyaga kutibwirite kuthaguka riu na ndaire surprised kuona kinya the other day mitandaoni again City County Commander akiuga ibongerete security aria kiri county headquarters nuntu ibonere baruga ikuga ngavana na choketo bijine ntirona ni baruga ikuga baru na if anything te baruga batari guchokia ngavana tha ijo bijine kinya ugoga instructive wakiri oku andika baruga na arua kaka andika nuntu ni instructions omwete na kinya muikia kotini utebio muthekera nuntu ni instructions wa mwere che kuthithia that thing so wakiri ba Kawira Mwangaza bandika baruga iute sheria Kenya sheria tubatere kuona kethira ni onda chikuga chiko mun state obichine na utiche ndirona monkanandi sheria tubatere kuona ondas very clear ondas na kinya itubatere kutho tukiura yana ndi respectively judiciary ya Kenya it is somehow seeming to be like judiciary is the weak link kiri kuona justice served in Kenya. I do not know why. Bwana Mutembe imbuge atiri. It is not surprising that Kawira Mwangaza na operate na akiuga ni kontonde mwikite ni untu kinyambere ya Senate impeaching gavana ana. Itu ari to kwambiria kuigwa nto baba kiuga itwije ni untu ibeije na makosa. Ibari ba kwambiria kuuga itwije Senate eka impeach governor but yagachokwa ni court. We were wondering immediately after impeachment gweta through ronene around 11 torofa au che muthenya twambiria kwa na ondas chikitirendi mutandaoni ntikwerewa judiciary ya Kenya ni ambirite gukara jeka judiciary is the weak link na and I can tell you legal advisor was the former governor na quoted on several occasions akiuga gabo ibai prepete urabaka manuva kotini for almost a year plus because problems here in Meru. So kulingana oni I know kinya ondeje twenio it is not because kwena any legality in it to ntorea na ije na area onda chigura wa injanje bai kubenda ya and I want to say this without blinking my eyes. Judges ba Kenya time has come kinyabu ingwa bamberie ko respect the rule of law. Kinyabu ingwa bamberie kuonekana buge serve justice. To get this thing that somebody walks in a court of law akaumara na ondas inya chite kwereka ina chitete. Let us preserve the dignity ya sheria ya Kenya. To uphold the constitution mtu wonde okiririe Biblia na swear wa uphold the rule of law na gukaria katiba ya Kenya. I do not see the reason as to why tukeza tukiarairia onda yeumeka riuju onda yeumeka riuju na onda iuchionze wataka kutite sheria ene. A time has come ya guchokaniria Kenya na ante kumenyina nje nzi bari a time has come bora barathithirie kurigania president na mbunge nguge yao. I think also judges should be reminded we should not be seeing one arm of our government ikithithia makosa awa iraike Lady Justice Martha Koome nuntu Martha Koome kinya kuma atore kugita magamba she has stood above now shine ya mtu utiumba kunda ivieto kinya nintini. I wish other judges can follow what she does.
Okay. Ukilokera mutambo ya Facebook kwena Ben Murith Kithinjerwa continue blaming the judiciary if there is a harm of government which is people have confidence in is judiciary. Charles Jongo Kithinjia all the assembly should do is seek an order barring the former governor from assessing the county government offices. Ben Kithinjia kawa if there is someone who will be will not be the governor, and I'm sure it's Gathuri Muronge. Sailor Sedas aliwa hata mtumie jina former governor how many times up to 2027 mwananchi ndiye mwamuzi kwa ballot. Mumezoea viti za bure sana, mtapiga kilele mchoke at former governor former kilele 2 million as Kenyans are not fools about what court order entails. Fanyeni maandamano, mtajua mjui watu walinde biashara zao. eti governor apokonywe services za serikali ni cheke ama ni nyamaze tu. Okay. Karega Mutai, senior former Governor Kawira Mwangaza has no powers to run Meru County. Meru residents and mostly business people should not pay any money to the Meru County revenue. We are not sure whether the amount, where the amount is going.
Nenkwirire ndrethire ekuruto kone frani bakiarairia the same sentiments. Bakiona na giambe chiji chikuthora na arua Meru ri. Umaichi gweta account na chathirikari. And I'm saying from where I sit I cannot say yes or no. Na if anything imbonete uma itwererwe Meru County gweta cashless but bonaga no cash turiaga kila pali. Kinyo geta na arura kwa revenue. You pay in cash. The account number ne mpesa number na kairoka withdraw becha agent number. So it is cash. Ku withdraw becha we cash you transfer. It is not electronic money. So but you chonde chikuthurani wa Meru, no one can say with finality that kauma mbechi ichigweta account ne thirikari na ichigweta to the intended purpose. So for that reason ntekwenda ku insight the public, but from where I sit personally ndiko tikinye ko miremo nkare amo kambone thirikari in the correct hands.
Now ukaririe mantu ya thirikari ire kethira irio kana rightfully irio inkwirire ringi kuringana na kotondera iriwa yambari dika mentioned 17th next month, right? Kuringana na guidelines tia ora governor onge abati wa assume office 10 days after Thursday, mbere after 10 days urorare kumaruka kana kuthura kwa governor, right? Ondazi ireta mwaka 17th of September ntukweketha chikuthira kinyire chieki kikatiba tia governor uroreo ubati kunyumuma. So mention ye yambi Kawira Mwangaza ategitine mention ye yambi. Why is it a matter of just you can buy time na kubuy time illegally? I do not know.
You know, according to legal advice our former governor, legal advice our akiaragiria antu fulani somewhere in South Menti augire bakathiurukia these issues in court for more than a year, and I quote and quote na kinya mitandao na ya WhatsApp, several groups cha WhatsApp including Meru Progressive, that quoted on several occasions akiaragia jeka aije something urabakathithia court. So ndona mention ekiri 17th na arura kuraja next month inkwero atuno kipindi kira kia wagucetha ya kutira tiri antuko. So ibaije finally inya ba tiri antuko for more than a year, finally no monka geta. So kiribo igucetha tu ipindi for that time euba komba ko manuva kotini for that time pachete tu ipindi indi nyabongo ibaije that finally ilazima governor akebero bichi completely whether she likes or not.
So
but I want to tell Meru na mbere ya Meru kinya tuingwa Meru ituthomete ngai no munene nuntu naete o mtu ume kuringana na capacity yewe na capability yewe na kuringana na ora Murungu akwenda mtu ithithia umbe bwawe uno mpashu wa Meru nteno gwa bururu that very soon sooner or later very soon Meru ikethwa peaceful na ikethwa in the right hands. How soon is soon? Let us leave it for the judgment of each person.
So should maybe county assembly or any other interested person about it a court seek interpretation ya court na tekua, because mention irio gazettement nerekete kapwithika ne pwithikire that tells you Kawira Mwangaza is out of office, but are obisine muntu nabati wetu office mean kire courts or seek interpretation kwenda kumenya court onde iriwa Kawira Mwangaza soko obisine kanari kando auriye justice yewe yochoketine are outside kana bati kurietine wankam descendant otherwise.
Well, bugeti responsibility kwa kwera Mumeru bunkwenda kuga,
but kinyowe Mumeru,
but for the purposes of Mumeru kuigwa receive more than 6 groups chile courtine as we speak chigesi kaga clarification different courts not one. Chesi kaga imwe clarification ingi. Well, let me not go into the details.
Yes.
Because the devil is in the details. Allow me not to go into the details. But about the 6 groups, chire kotini,
about seek interpretation
na nuntu poegeni na onda iji. Na ikia tu mioni ntekigwa dedo gwa nuntu I know. Ore akwena log officers in the judiciary. Kwena baba apondete the rule of law. Now, at the end of the day, the rule of law will shine and will stand firm. Sheria, finally, kinyagwa karate, sheria yoyongwa, igachirungika. You know, sheria chindifendaga yongwa. The law gives a solution of everything. Kinyagwa edho kwena nteto chikaliate. Finally, ora Biblia yandikie kiomba gusolve kila kitu nya sheria ithairo bangi kuringana na gusolve issues cia thina cia area eu conclusively. So nteno gwa finally Meru igakara bwega.
Kwina some blocks still supports Kawira Mwangaza na ndironde bakia na authority kuringana na bo bakiwa baraba kwenda ibete bandamane Antona bebo menarungu. You see, alafu still bloggers bano wabakuwa Kawira Mwangaza na arare betrayed ni kiama ke UDA na arare betrayed ni president na arare betrayed ni MCs barabara ya line kiri Kenya Kwanza na arare betrayed ni senators barabara kiri Kenya Kwanza. Now bariwa Kawira Mwangaza about to with their own political party moving forward. Is it now in the last 2 occasions Governor Kawira Mwangaza wengo nethirite akiwa president no mutethete bla 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 ka president ya thuka thai
but the president atiomba it is true that president na mutetherie I think in the last 2 impeachments ira chetre senate na mutetherie na president wengwa eta on record that ni ndatetherie Kawira Mwangaza but then kinya president mtu atiomba kurekeria utura kuna sheria kila wakati agotethagia for any reason whatsoever.
Yes.
Unless kinya wengo akenda kuga then Kenya is a banana republic. Na buge President William Ruto, I do not know, you know this time round, tutuge president ura mutetheri kana te president ura mutetheri but inko ndo muchokeria nkatho nuntu this time round atatethereria muntu kuna sheria. Inko ndo guchokeria president nkatho nyingi muno. Nuntu bwa apondi the rule of law. You know, inya mumeru wengo ore othingatite ndonere impeachment process ya live on Wero TV kuma mwambiri monka mwicho. So kinya mumeru na ari akarinde gurunja na atega go kuji burabo areto ni assembly na witetera kura ngavana athithetie. So mumeru wengo na ije kauma that Kawira Mwangaza na meya jara jonde athitangi najo. Na ije approve it way beyond reasonable doubt. Not even above the balance of proof, beyond reasonable doubt. Ote mumeru tene ukoje muthe burabo anenkanirwe otewe ya bwagweti kiri impeachment area utaete substantiated. So president kwethro atatetheria Kawira Mwangaza kuendelea kuna sheria. Injire emwe kuga president William Ruto tayari kwa pundi sheria. Na maybe agency baramurikanirie meare aringi mbere agency beja mbuga agency abetere barikane president sheria ni number 1. Na ndenda kukuti mikambo ya mheshimiwa wa Mtata senator wa Mtata indikana tuko mwerite president that you as the president you are my friend lakini to akinyakire sheria the constitution becomes more of my friend than you are. So inyapa tuto ya Meru Kawira teka tu mumenete inya uninte meneta ngamumenera ambi I have no personal grudge. But the law is more of a friend to me than Kawira Mwangaza. Na dhairi hakuna sheria then, tutiomba kuride on the same boat nuntu mumeru na abatere kuona services na sheria karitwe na njirera yagirite. Buge so seneti kerekererwe ritango giayo bategero kuji bunde. Bathingata uma kumazi na inyathaiji de surprised. Kuri senator mo akyo surprised in the whole of the country. Senator Enda Morekina. I am still surprised. Imbonete andikite article kiri one of the newspapers. Akwe penjijiri. na ndambiria kuria, why does it seem like Senator Ledama nwe uinyiritwe nicie Meru nkuruki ya governor ule wimpeachito wewe ngwa? What is the interest? Could it be true that he has chikaraga chikiaragwa that kemuvuko ige kama tawa kuma Meru kigeta nderure? Could it be true that kanyonto karaga gonkia Ledama ago karaje kagatwika? I'm still in the Kogimaya. So mbere ya Meru kethira kurejima ringi turathithirwe ni Senate ya Kenya igucokeria respect ya Meru nuntu into bietu birenja ngaira kire antu bangi ome ana ba Meru bakire yathi na tukinairwa na ajuju ba wonkanga bakuthithia ini into bietu bikinya ngaira kire bangi tenda sigita all over.
Right.
A time has come ya kuridi Meru Ameru bobo ngo bacokerwa ishima ndari iri yao.
Okay. Still kire Facebook kwina Ben amurithikithia njarua, this was a political game plan to cool the political temperatures in Meru because now the case is off the politicians and the legal process is on. The process of judiciary is so slow and this will make politics to calm down in Meru until 2027. Honorable Robert Mutumarubwa, those given orders are breaching the constitution of Kenya. Kwa nini ziliwekwa siku za India wakati ambapo governor mteule anafaa kuwa ameapishwa? Judiciary iangaliwe kama kuna mtu amekula ongo tujue. Charles Diongo Kethenja kwa thanks Zoro TV for informing the public. There is someone seeking clarification of the Hondas. Rafael Mbaya akawafuatilia kesi ya Wambora ujue vile ilienda. Kawira anatumia njia hiyo. Na Ben Kethenja Kaurenge, the few politicians in Meru is Kawira Mwangaza constant in touch with the people on the ground and these threaten their survival. How many once has Kaduri visited since he was elected? During the Kreito time, he visited Abu West only 5 times in 5 years, but under 2 years, Kawira has visited more than 10 times.
You know, go visit Ben imtonkomenya boga.
Okay.
In those 10 times akwariria. Imbia bodo go chwesti onete. In those 10 times, what is there that we can show ya governor ya former governor Kawira Mwangaza in the 10 times? It was even much better kureka ko visit Bururu mbe chiuche maguta iuchi kwenyanga misafari thitwe minene chigeta. Na the other time, the last time donete former governor aliongete abotho go west ichekietete koronchi ya basari tamwira thirire ana batathoma nachio tamwira thirire. In fact forgive my ignorance, imwaka jo 2023 2024 June chura kinyere jo athira ana bo batathomete na becha che mwaka jo chejete kuthoma nabo mwaka jo jongi iro chikambire iro che bakathoma nacho tamwije mwaka jo thiri batathomete nacho nontu governor neteri kuthiuruka na ngari akira uncha kampasari. It was even much better. Meana ndali kutia kagwa kirito murungi ataliongete abotho go west many times. Gokwenda kuombera wike cheki ya ambassador na te cheki ere thero iketi igweta kuringwa bicha na ndame cheki o wondi 45 tota turunga me turingwa bicha na ndame cheki iu cheki chitore chiteta chukuru. Which one was important? Teka abotera onchete bururu cheki chigeta chukuru ana bakona bichi atiali bagatiga guchumbuka bakathoma. Teka abotete bururu barabara ekenjo antu awenyangia mbecha magutene. Teka abotete bururu kirasi kia isindi kigakwa governor former Kawira Mwangaza aumete obichini ataka inya kirasi kimwe kia isindi abotho go west. Na murithi gakwa ndombera 10 times kuriunga ikumbeta ngurukia gwakirwa kirasi kimwe kia isindi. Na ketha ni urongo na aria nuntu ale abotho go west na improve amboni kimwa kirasi kia isindi kia abotho go west. Former governor au mobichine ethirite thoko ya Katheri thoko ya Kithirune chiaki ithirikari ya mbere ya Meru ya Peter Munya atathirikiria antu batonya thokone eya eta kithongo chibitari twire na maternity extended to yongerwa ni Peter Munya ari governor eta ki amirugura na mbiria kuga indithitie maternity kithongo no tebi ora athithia kwende. You want to tell me that Kuriunga 10 times with a do for the purposes of parading yourself TV ne menya kira ninde igirwe senator Mwaki ali ntirikane nuriku ali senate baka ugogeta penjine ya Kawira Mwangaza nona agita ngugi penjine batura bachokerete mantu ya 2021 2022 ijo chokerwa na arua penjine we oura bathithe ya TV ine untu bwathithe kire mine ya sangu ibu guchokerwa na arua murio watethetwe miaka nkurukie 13 ginya na no ona naua my friend really we sincere to ourselves so ndenda kwira Ben respectively and is my friend te gwitantore ne maita ja maingite jo je na gitumi jangugira gwitire wari tantore ne yu
now indirathikirite James Mutia ni chief officer kiri obisi ya Kawira Mwangaza you call her former but barua ni the iwe governor Meru
ibaba kuga
Gideon Kimathi they were barare kiri panel bobele bagine nyandwimbo cia kuonania Kawira Mwangaza is legally in office na bakiona na jura bene experience ya kutha bethirikari ne mbere igiri na ithatu na kuringana na bo barira Meru governor kana Kawira Mwangaza ari obisine na agasavu Meru right na iba kumenya sheria na iba kumenyora mantu yonthe ya wita iyi ingine siasa anto bakuringa now muntu yontu ya Gideon Kimathi muntu ya James Mutia na ari acting chief of staff Gideon Kimathi 5 years chief of staff na ari deputy speaker wa assembly now anto ba di very senior in Meru barita somewhere bagera Meru ibuku kariuna na boya bogera Meru kariuna irokuwa anto babe to msemo ni Kawira Mwangaza no mdozi wo they will not go
ibete kemechemanio again ni tukumenya bare arura nuntu no bekete obichine no baretere ku so they have no any other option kairi baijite biria bakaririte ni tebithira na area the ten of office ita na area na that current regime igita so they know the moment the new governor assumes office so no monka bakare bakyara yora bakwaria no ntutu of course iba motetheria go create more confusion in the hopes that bagakarakara obichine but I want to tell them Sharia it is options it is either the law is followed or the law is followed and nothing else but so logono ruru ndeba kwali rote sheria ene finally no monga sheria ka rurungeka
so anko odi ontobo tuwe ambarede ka mentioned 17th of September right kuringana na gazeti Kawira Mwangaza tuwe governor Meru so services cia Meru including kurearity Nguiba county kugakarate tuwe for example eta for la year ariti Nguiba thirikari kabethira batiri meshara na services ikithite kwendelea ndene ya institution thirikari
you know Mutembei kuri nteto imwe ntekwenda kwaria
no it's an assumption
just allow me to say
yes
we should not even assume that because it will not be bere aitibangu giba Meru tutethie ni kwira the rogue governor former Umaro Bichine let the substantive office undertake office na services jambiri kuran and I can assure you no ndo sheria no mwanka kairungika kutekyo gikakwama inyamurungu wengu ambigo Biblia kiuga at the opportune time at the right time the God of heavens will make things right and work for you so at the right time ya ujonde anga magamba wachana na hiyo
so
igamba litigi katiba litigi understand ya nige katiba waya imbicho bochumbulira ugachumbura tu well let me not go
okay now kwena the saint maandamano maita ya tukiumia no support soundbo
inaweza kwamba kwa ajendere pasona ngachie jana mtu iko na Meru icho
weta maandamano
yes aungu demo Meru na article 1 ya katiba power belongs to the people and I'm one of the people ba Meru so twete tukarikania thirikari that ngugi enu niji jensi urona baumirire batethia Kenya bung'ana
kumira kwa Gen Z gutumite Kenya echokanira kumira kwa Gen Z gutumite system ya education irare almost crippled ana barare migwita university mondere go finance university terereka narua we can see changes kikithithika na mondere gichenjagwa ana bakiona mbecha cha thirikari and we are at least assured anto bakathoma nuntu akebo kumira kwa Gen Z beta barabarene kumira kwa Gen Z kwa tumana arua parliament iri operate with a lot of openness na ikithika ira public imbie kuga so kumira kwa Meru kwa twike kwa tuma the rogue governor umaro bichine na arekeria services tiambiria gufurubo gakiri Ameru then let it be na mbere ya Meru kwa iri Meru ni etu and Meru should be our business tiga kwa comfortable we na aguri ije kawa tigira antu bangana ona bakurwirira Meru ekarabwega umira kinya kwa ngo witira itirere ku this is our county and we should guide it accordingly ja county yetu
Fair enough.
taka tupatere kurekeria one individual na colonies bawe bakinyaga county yetu ura bakwenda.
Fair enough. Our time is up. Parting shot ya kutugereke mubango yo bwana Kaime.
My parting shot kankera former governor, a good dancer, knows when to exit the stage. Time has come ya ku-re-evaluate umenya whether you can be that good dancer. If not, etera tu whether you exit or not, you'll be shown the exit route. Na Meru igakara bwega mbere ya Meru bukagitogwa turombeni Murungu o Murungu ora waitire Danieli erinyenere angatonyi inya yawe ni ari erinyenere angatonyi mbere nye Danieli atonyaku o Murungu uyu ukarite ari Murungu kuma tene Meru itirombwa Meru yombwa Meru ina gavana bangi Meru ina kinya former governor Kawira Mwangaza o Murungu uyu withiritwo ari Murungu mwitikikwa kinya riria impeachment yetaga senate igachoka no Murungu urio na arua na agachokaniria Meru na njira ciawe ni ciama tumwite na imbije Meru igakara bwega.
Thank you very much bwana Kaimenyi no tubokona kanya kuya na thank you very much kiri bora bonde bari mubango ne yo you are very active in kuona SMS chenu na tugenda na mbere kumenyethia mautu mwanya ora weta na mbere basic clarification kwenda kumenya onda zero day kuwa kana anything ire yomba kwithire ki develop within the course of the day kana within the course of the week ture yao ni tuwero bwaku tugetha tukumeithia mantu uraya weta na mbere kuhusu tongeria bwa county ya Meru na twithirite tukumenyethia na of course twatiro kumenya puonde pura bukethira bwikinyandira kiro tongeria bwa county ya Meru kana muongo yo Kenya ithira wena tukwembea na kiumie kia betawa mutembe Edward na of course twetera kuona kithira kwetha kuona development ya mount ya Kaimenya rike kuwa kuna notice ile together anything ikya happen to keep updated kuma kwa weru bitawa mutembe Edward na mbere tuthia takiri platform chetu chionde cia social media kenda kuthira ukimenya authentically mount ya kuthira ya itana mbere dene ya mongo yo Kenya na nthigurune yonde. Thank you very much.